Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I just only opened up the box, but this is here. This is a blanket. So let's see if we can open this up, and I'll show you guys what it is and how it looks. If I can open it. Oh, it's already open. Oh, but this is soft. It's like a wool blanket. Let me see what it's made of. It says it on here. Just a standard 100 for everyday convenience. Textiles you can trust. And it is Guandihoze is the one. It is 15% wool and 85% polyester. So that is what we got here. We can machine wash it cold, gentle cycle, hang flat to dry and low. Don't iron, don't bleach. Okay, so this is gonna be it. This is gonna check out our blanket. So if you've seen some of these blankets, it almost reminds me of like some of the ones you get as you travel and stuff, maybe like on a first class airplane or something like that. So this is it here. It looks like it's about 4 feet across and 5 feet long or so, or 4 and 4. It's about square. So this is it here. It looks like it has a big G on it. Oh, big G. I guess that's the brand. Can you see it on there? Maybe. Yeah, there you go. I don't know. My name's R. That'd be cool if it came with all the letters for your names, but I think it's just its brand. But that's it. It's soft. It's a nice little one to carry around. I don't even know what I'll do with this one here. I might even just keep it in the car for when people come with me because they always say they're freezing. But that's a cool blanket. Nice blanket. Nice, can be folded up nice and thin and stuff. And so kind of like it. Really nice, comfortable. Seems like it's like incredible quality. If you look at it, it's very well knit. It's like knit better than clothes would be. Like if you had some clothes, it wouldn't be made as nice as this. So super cool, very cool blanket, and you can fold it all up, and it was nice. And so if you'd like to have that nice warm wool stuff, bring it with you to a camping trip or whatever, or skiing, you could always have that. Or if you like to have your little favorite blanket that you always want, this is probably a good one to have for that. So really good, thumbs up for sure. I like this one.